Hi, my name is David Linger, Technical Support Manager for Technology and Automation for Epiroc, and today we are going to cover how to load and save parameters on the RCS Lite system. In order to load or save the parameters on the RCS Lite machine, the key needs to be on, but the engine cannot be running. The system will block you from saving parameters with the engine running. So from the main screen, in order to be able to save parameters, you have to first log in. So go to the User tab and enter your password. You can see that we've now logged in at service engineer level. Go back to the main screen. Go to the System tab. Make sure you have the Administration tab selected. And right down here, you have the option for loading and saving parameters. First, we're going to save them. And then if you need to load the parameters, you would already have the file saved to your memory stick, which is located here, and you would just simply choose Load Parameters. And you can go back if you have your parameters are loaded, you won't have a bunch of faults down here. If you do not have parameters, you'll have a lot of faults on the bottom of the screen. For more information, please contact your local service center or dealer.